Hi everyone and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Rosana and today I'm going to teach you how to make some delicious potato fried taquitos covered in a tomatillo sauce. These are incredible. Let me show you how to make them. Over medium heat, cook 2 pounds of russet potatoes in salted boiling water. Cook them whole and with the skin on. Meanwhile, in a separate pot, we're also going to cook the ingredients for the salsa. Start by cooking 1/4 of a medium white onion, 1 serrano pepper, and 2 garlic cloves in enough water to cover all of the ingredients. When they have cooked and softened, carefully add in 1 pound of tomatillos. Once the skin of the tomatillos turn pale green for the most part, they are cooked. Remove from the heat and let them sit in the water for about 10 minutes. During this time, their color will become uniform. When ready, remove all of the ingredients from the water and set them to the side so they can cool down completely. When the potatoes are ready, remove them from the heat and water. Place them in a separate bowl to cool down as well. When ready, peel them. Now using a potato masher, mash all of them. To the mashed potatoes, we're going to add 2 cups of cotija cheese and mix it in. At this point, season with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Mix until well combined. The cotija cheese is perfect for these fried taquitos. Its milky, salty flavor enhances the overall result. Now place a comal or griddle over medium heat and let it get hot. Then heat the corn tortillas until hot and flexible. This recipe makes about 30 taquitos. Turn as needed and try not to let them crisp up. It's important they are entirely heated because it prevents them from breaking in the rolling stage. If the heat feels too high at any point, feel free to lower it. When ready, keep them hot by covering them with a clean kitchen towel. Placing them in an enclosed, heat-proof container is a plus. Are all the tortillas heated? Great! It's rolling time. Start by placing a good amount of the potato mix close to the edge of the tortilla. Wrap and tuck it over the filling. Roll the rest of the way until you reach the opposite end. Insert a toothpick through the center. We can actually fit 2 tacos. Take another one, insert the toothpick, and make sure both flaps end up in the center facing each other. This will secure and prevent them from opening while frying. Finish making the remainder of the tacos following the same procedures. If the tortillas start to break because they are becoming cold, you can reheat them. When finished, place a large pan over medium heat. Pour in about 1/4 of an inch of vegetable or canola oil. Heat the oil to a safe frying temperature. You can use a deep fry thermometer. Carefully place the tacos in the oil and they should sizzle right away. We want them nice and crispy with a gorgeous golden brown color all around. Also, try not to overcrowd the pan. Wait for the underside touching the oil to develop the qualities mentioned and turn so the other side does the same. This is a very popular dish from my beautiful Michoacán, where I was raised and fell in love with the food. I have mentioned in previous videos how women in Mexico sold food for a living. These tacos were part of the everyday menu. They were typically served just like the chicken taquitos, which I will leave the link to in the description area, but this time I have something else in mind. Still authentic and so delicious. I love making them this way and cannot get enough of them. When ready, remove from the oil and place them on a plate lined with a paper kitchen towel to absorb some of the oil and keep making tacos. As you remove them, you can place more in the empty spaces and just supervise them to make sure you remove them when needed. Now let's make the salsa. Start by removing the stem from the serrano. Also remove the flesh from 1 fresh, ripe, large avocado. Place the serrano, onion, tomatillos, garlic, 1 cup of water, the avocado, a small bunch of cilantro, and salt to taste in a blender. Blend until smooth and creamy. By the way, if you like a spicier salsa, you can add as many serranos as you desire. This salsa has the perfect consistency. It's creamy, has body to it, and runs beautifully. Let's not forget it's delicious. To serve, it is crucial you remove the toothpick. Once removed, line the tacos on a plate. I know they look so good, and wait until you taste them. Cover them with a generous amount of the salsa. Also drizzle Mexican style cream over them and top with more cotija cheese. Oh my goodness, I'm telling you, these are truly perfect. I hope you're inspired because they are super easy to make and they will take dinner to the next level. This is a well thought out dish with layers of flavor. Delicious. Están deliciosos. Hold on, I'm gonna finish this taco. Oh my God, you have to try these. They are easy, delicious. What is not to love? Well, I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Remember that you can follow me on all of my social media platforms. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and click the notification bell. But to choke there. Until the next one.